A traditional motorhome can be a great companion on a journey across continents, but if your travel aspirations reach beyond the oceans or require fast transfers between destinations, an RV just won't do the trick. Luckily, there is a special breed of homes with wings, represented by business jets and luxurious airliners. These planes are fully furnished with comfortable beds, bathrooms, and kitchens to make you feel like you never walked out of your house. Subscribe to Must See Tech, and let's take off to see 8 of the most amazing flying motorhomes. Falcon 8X. The super-range business jet by Dassault Aviation is the successor of Falcon 7X, featuring a longer 43-feet cabin and increased range of 6,450 nautical miles. The 8X shows up to 35% more fuel efficiency due to the improved wing design and the use of the new Pratt & Whitney Canada PW307D model engines. With the extended cabin, the newest Falcon offers even more space and is a real luxurious apartment in the sky. The space is divided into several living areas, with more than 30 different layout options. Depending on the needs, you can have a kitchen, a lavatory, shower, bedroom, and living room equipped with Rockwell Collins Falcon Cabin HD Plus entertainment systems. The low noise level in the cabin, along with the cockpit pressure stabilization, ensure a comfortable flying experience at any altitude. Embraer Lineage 1000E. This business jet is the largest in the fleet of the Brazilian manufacturer Embraer and is the variant of the Embraer 190 regional jet airliner. It has mid-range capabilities, being able to cover 4,600 nautical miles at the speed of 472 knots and represent the pinnacle of luxury offered by the company. The interior layout of the Lineage 1000E could be configured to accommodate from 13 to 19 people and is usually separated in 5 cabin zones. The cabin offers space for fine dining, entertainment, work meetings, and of course peaceful rest in the optional master bedroom with a walk-in shower. Among the latest tech updates that the jet gets are the Apple TV, AirPlay, Wi-Fi, and a new digital cabin management system. As claimed by Embraer, the 2019 model has the lowest operating cost among the ultra-large jets. Though with a price tag of $53 million, this seems like the least of the concerns for the billionaire owner. Gulfstream G650. Available in 2 modifications, the regular G650 and its extended range version G650ER, this aircraft by the American manufacturer Gulfstream Aerospace is the company's largest and fastest business jet offering. It can accommodate up to 19 passengers and has the maximum operating speed of 0.925 Mach or 612 knots. The G650 is good for 7,000 nautical miles, while the G650ER adds 500 more to the offer. On the inside, both airplanes feature 16 large elliptical windows, comfortable business class seating, widescreen TVs, and wireless internet. Each seat gets Gulfstream cabin management system that synchronizes with your smartphone, offering easy control over lighting, temperature, window shades, and entertainment. In addition, the cabin can be configured according to the customer's wishes and equipped with a full kitchen and bar. Sukhoi Business Jet. The business variant of this aircraft is based on the SSJ-100 regional jet and is developed by the Russian design bureau Sukhoi, which is a division of the National United Aircraft Corporation. The SBJ is equipped with sabrelets and fuel-efficient SAM-146 engines, fly-by-wire system, and additional fuel tanks to extend the range up to 4,250 nautical miles. The interior could be configured for corporate, government, or VIP users, and will accommodate from 8 to 38 passengers. Though sized as an airliner, the manufacturer still classifies the plane as an ultra-large business jet, which means that it has more interior space than any of the competitors, like Embraer 1000 or Gulfstream 650. It is worth mentioning that the SPJ 100 has been struggling with commercial success for the past decade due to the reliability and servicing issues, but 150 units have still been produced and sold in countries of Latin America and post-Soviet Union. Cessna Citation Hemisphere. Manufactured by the Dassault Aviation and developed under the brand Cessna, this business jet is promised to be the most advanced Citation ever. With a range of 4,500 nautical miles and a cruise speed of 516 knots, the Hemisphere offers a great solution for distant flights. The jet is to be powered by two Silver-Crest turbofans, which are, however, the reason of Hemisphere's production delays, caused by the poor trial results at high altitudes shown by the engines. The cabin of the aircraft is divided into several areas, including refreshing zone, seating and sleeping area, lavatory and closet, with the possibility of further customization. In addition, the Hemisphere's cabin altitude stands at only 5,000 feet, to ensure that passengers get the best rest during the flight. Would you like to see an episode about actual motorhomes instead? Well, make sure to finish this video first, and then you can follow the links in the description and information cards. Let's continue! Bombardier Global. The long-range models from the Global series by Bombardier have been on the market since 1998, proving to be quite successful in the class of large-cabin business jets. Currently, the lineup includes 6 models with different speed, passenger capacity and range. Among them is Global 7500, a 19-passenger luxury aircraft that has a maximum range of 7,700 nautical miles. The model has 4 living areas, including a master suite with a large permanent bed and an en-suite shower, plus a kitchen and a separate crew suite to maximize their comfort during the flight. The cabin has multiple customization options and is equipped with a new design noir seats with a tilt-link system, floating base, and tilting headrest. Airbus ACJ. In case your travel party includes several dozen people, or if a journey without bringing the whole mansion along is out of the option, then why not board a private plane based on the Airbus airliner? The ACJ range of the aircraft from the French manufacturer includes ultra-luxury planes based on the A318 through A315 XWB. These jets can accommodate from 8 and up to 25 VIPs and truly have the worldwide reach of 6 to 10,000 nautical miles. The ACJs get equipped with the new generation Neo engines with 15% increased fuel efficiency and operate at 41,000 feet. The truly unlimited interior space is configured depending on the buyer's requirements and could be turned into a true flying palace with its own conference hall, home cinema, gigantic bedroom and bathroom, fully equipped kitchen, and an endless list of luxury features. Cessna CJ3 Plus. Compared to the rest of the giants on our list, The CJ3 Plus would be a tiny camper van rather than a fully fledged house with wings, but nevertheless, it deserves to be mentioned, being one of the most popular models on today's market. With a runway requirement of just 3,200 feet, this light jet can use small airports and remote areas of the world, which would have been restricted to the bigger business airliners. The interior can have 6 to 9 passenger seating scheme, and the baggage capacity reaches another 1,000 pounds. There are 6 finishing variants with strict feel, and door systems could be wirelessly controlled, but unfortunately, the aircraft is a bit too small to accommodate a shower and a full galley, though this requirement might be unnecessary on the flight of just 2,000 miles. Would you say that these luxury business jets have nothing in common with motorhomes and the title was just clickbait? You're probably right. But hey, they have motors and they're fully furnished like homes. Don't hesitate to scorn us or show the admiration of our creativity in the comments below. Subscribe to Must See Tech and watch more episodes suggested on the screen. We'll see you soon!